So ngayon, regarding sa ating core competency, yung develop tech studies, so matututunan natin yung about sa color wheel dito sa ating presentation na gagawin ngayon. Pero bago yun, set muna natin yung mga devices na gagamitin natin para sa presentation. Okay, so meron tayong projector, meron tayong amplifier, and then yung ating laptop. Okay, so unahin natin i-set yung projector. So, itong VGA cable, so i-plug natin dito sa projector. Ayan. So, i-screw natin para hindi siya mag-ikot sa basta. And then, yung other plug, dito sa kabila, sa laptop. Dito sa VGA port. Okay. So, make sure din na ito ay naka-screw para hindi siya magugot. Okay? Next natin, yung RC jack o yung ear jack para sa sound system. Ito yung cable doon, pag-plug natin dito sa left side ng laptop, dito sa yan, support. Okay? So, next is the power. So, yung power ng projector, kailangan natin ng power cable. So, ito-plug natin ito dito sa likod ng projector. Ayan. And then, ito-plug natin ito dito sa power outlet. Ayan. Dito pa. Okay. So, next is yung ating amplifier. Kailangan may power din kasi hindi lang nakapagkawa ng power. Okay? So, make sure naka-on na yung ating amplifier. Ayan. And then, ayan. So, ito na yung ating presentation about color wheel. Dito, malalaman natin yung more about the color wheel.
Using the color wheel.
The color wheel provides an excellent system for understanding color relationships and creating effective color schemes. Let's look at how to use geometric shapes and the color wheel to create harmony. An equilibrium.
So, dito malalaman natin kung ano ba yung mga color schemes, color combination, at yung mga color combos. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung projector. Ayan. Okay, tingnan natin.
This is a section of many tutorials using the color wheel.
The color wheel provides an excellent system for understanding color relationships and creating effective color schemes. Let's look at how to use geometric shapes and the color wheel to create harmony. An equilateral triangle has sides of the same length and can be rotated around the interior of the circle to form triads of color. The primary triad of red, yellow, and blue is the most basic, but there are plenty of others to choose from. An isosceles triangle creates a split complement harmony. It's formed by first picking two complementary colors, like yellow and violet in this example. One complement is used in the harmony, in this case yellow, and the two adjacent tertiary colors of the other complement finish it off. Sometimes you need a color scheme with more than the usual 2 or 3 colors. A rectangle gives you 4 colors and creates a harmonious relationship because it uses the adjacent tertiary colors of any.
Ayan. So, tapos na yung ating presentation. Ipapakita naman sa inyo kung paano i-plug yung mga devices natin. Okay? So, mag-turn off muna natin yung projector. Dalawang pinot sa iwan. Okay? And then, ito natin punutin yung power niya kasi natin mapatay yung lower para mag-pull Unahin na muna natin itong mga cables sa laptop to the projector. Shut off na natin yung amplifier. Kailan natin mga